Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet with KitchenAid. First, select ripe, flavorful fruit like berries or mangoes. You'll need about 2 cups of fruit puree, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. Combine these ingredients and stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Make sure your KitchenAid freezer bowl has been in a freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 hours. Once your sorbet base is perfectly chilled, it's time to set up your KitchenAid. Secure the frozen ice cream maker bowl to the stand mixer base. Insert the dasher, then attach the mixer head. Carefully pour your cold sorbet mixture into the frozen bowl. Turn the mixer to speed 1 and let the magic begin. Allow your KitchenAid to churn the sorbet mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll notice it gradually thickens and expands, taking on a soft serve consistency. The dasher will slowly incorporate air, creating that delightful, light texture. Keep an eye on it. You want it firm but still pliable. After churning, your sorbet will be soft. For a firmer scoop, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for at least 2 hours. When ready to serve, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Scoop and enjoy your homemade, refreshing treat. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.